how to verify your Facebook page in 2025. So if you want to verify your Facebook page, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Facebook application. Now go with the bottom right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and tap on profile. Once you're on your profile, you need to go with the 3 dots right beside your profile, tap on it, and then tap on Meta Verified. Once you tap on it, where you need to have that Meta Verified, like I'll just simply go with a page right here and then go with next. Now you will join the waitlist for the verification. Tap to see all the requirements to make sure you qualify. You must be 18 or older in a country where Meta Verified is available, have full control of the page, and haven't exceeded the allowed number of verification attempts. If you meet all the criteria, simply hit join the waitlist at the bottom and you're all set to be considered for verification. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.